Morning everyone, welcome back to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Students, before starting our studies, let's take 1 minute relief. So, take your both hand like this and close your eyes and follow my instructions. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Open your eyes. Down your hands. Let's move to our studies. Good morning, students. This is your first period and this is your English orals period. So, do as I'm doing in front of you. Take out your both hand like this and hold it together and say after me. I am going to recite a poem, Hot Cross Buns. Now down your hands and sing with me. Hot cross buns, one a penny, two a penny. Hot cross buns, one a penny, two a penny. If you have no daughter, give it to your son. One a penny, two a penny. Hot cross buns, one a penny, two a penny. Students, let's repeat it again. Hot cross buns, one a penny, two a penny. Hot cross buns, one a penny, two a penny. If you don't have daughter, give it to your son. One a penny, two a penny. Hot cross buns, one a penny, two a penny. Students, learn it at your home with the help of your parents.
Good morning, students. This is your pattern writing period. So take out your pattern writing notebook and take pencil in your hands. Today we will trace curves. These curves will help us to write choti se imli and S for sun. So see at the blackboard. Look at the blackboard, all of you. Open the take out your notebooks and open the page where it is written practice tracing curves. Okay, so hold pencil like this and start with it. Put pencil here on the top of the point and start drawing. Okay, start writing. Start like this, right, then come down and curve. This is become like this. Okay. Again, put pencil here and start writing like this and come down and make a curve like this. Okay. This will help us to write choti se imli and S for sun. Okay. Start from left curve like this, come down and take a turn and again come down like this. This is become like this. Okay. Start from here like this. Come down and like this. Okay. Draw like this. Okay. See here. Start from here like this and come down like this and then this. Okay. This will help you to draw choti se imli and S for sun. Put pencil here and start writing with me, drawing with me. Okay. Come like this and turn and then get down like this and make a curve. Okay. See here, put pencil on the top and like this, come like down like this and turn, then come like this. Okay, this will help us to draw छोटी सी इमली. See here, look, start from here and come down, 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 down and then like this. Okay, this will help us to draw छोटी सी इमली. Okay, and as for sun, put pencil here and start drawing like this. Draw only on dots. Okay, you have to draw line on dots only and get down like this. Okay, this is become like this. Okay, this will help us to draw choti si imli and as for sun. I hope you all have understood this. So do practice of this at home with the help of your parents. First complete your classwork. After completing your classwork, you have to do same in the home. So since this is your English period, so take out your English notebooks with the help of your parents and open the page where it is written practice of alphabet C. Okay, yesterday we have learned formation of C. So today we will do practice of letter C. Okay, C for cat. Okay, look at the blackboard. This is big C now, big C or capital C. So this is Mama C and this is small c. Small means baby. This is baby C. This is Mama C and this is baby C. Today we will learn to draw Mama C. Okay? C for comb. Comb पता है बेटे किसको कहते हैं? कंघी को कहते हैं. Okay? We comb our hair. And this is crown. Crown किसे कहते हैं? Crown ताज को या मुकुट को कहते हैं. Crown कौन पहनता है? राजा लोग पहनते हैं ना? So this is crown. C for crown. And what is this? You know na? This is the picture of a cake. You all love to eat cake na? आप सबको केक खाना पसंद है ना? Okay. And this is C for cat. Okay. Now we will start writing. So students, take pencil in your hand like this and start writing with me. Look at the blackboard. Start from here. Put the tip of the pencil here and start writing below this line. Don't go up from this line. You have to write touch little bit this line. Okay? See here. Like this. Make a curve, 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 curve and turn. This is become Mama C. This is become Mama C. Again, start from here. Take the curve and come down and curve again like this. Okay? This is become Mama C. Look at the blackboard. Start from here. Take a curve and come down and again like this. This is become Mama C. Okay? Again, look at the blackboard. Start from here and make a curve, 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 curve and come down like this, like this. Okay? This is become Mama C. Start from here and come down like this and like this. This is become Mama C. You have to write in these 3 lines. First 2, 3 lines. Don't go up from this line upside or from your downside. You have to write between 3 lines. Okay? This has become Mama C. Start from here and go down and again make a curve like this. Okay? Start from here, curve, make a curve, then come down and again make a curve. This has become Mama C. So see here, this is Mama C and this is baby C. Today we have learned how to draw Mama C. C for comb, C for crown, C for cake and C for cat. Okay, now Now what you have to do? You have to do same as it is in your classwork copy. Complete page you have to do. After finishing your classwork, you have to do same in the homework with the help of your parents in neat and clean handwriting.
Students, this is your second period and this is your Hindi period. So first we will do Hindi orals. Take out your both hands and join it together. Hold like this and say after me. I am going to recite a poem. एक छोटी मोटर के अंदर. Now down your hands and sing with me. एक छोटी मोटर के अंदर आ बैठे हैं भालू बंदर, कहते मोटर तेज चलाओ, हमको ठंडी हवा खिलाओ. Now I'm going to repeat it. एक छोटी मोटर के अंदर आ बैठे हैं भालू बंदर, कहते मोटर तेज चलाओ, हमको ठंडी हवा खिलाओ. Students, learn this poem at your home with the help of your parents.
So students, this is your Hindi period. Hindi returns. Take out your Hindi notebook. Okay. Today we will learn how to write छोटी ई से इमली. बच्चों, आज हम लोग सीखेंगे छोटी ई से इमली लिखना. कल हम लोगों ने बड़े आ से आम किया था ना. आज हम लोग छोटी ई से इमली लिखना सीखेंगे. ओके. सब बच्चों ब्लैक बोर्ड पे देखिए. ये क्या बना हुआ है? छोटी ई से इमली. छोटी से और क्या होता है? इंजन होता है. ओके. ये क्या बना है? ये मिठाई है ना. कौन सी मिठाई है? इमरती. छोटी से इमरती. ओके. ये कौन सा चित्र है बेटा? ये चित्र है बिल्डिंग का. बिल्डिंग मतलब बड़ी सी मकान का. इसको क्या कहते हैं साथ में? इमारत भी कहते हैं. इसको क्या कहते हैं? इमारत भी कहते हैं. और ये क्या बना है बेटा? छोटी से इमली. ओके. सो छोटी से इमली, छोटी से इंजन, छोटी से इमरती, छोटी से इमारत. ओके. नाउ राइट विथ मी. टेक योर पेंसिल एंड होल्ड लाइक दिस. ओके. चलिए बेटा, यहाँ पे हम लोग लिखेंगे. सबसे पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, फिर छोटा सा स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाएंगे, फिर हम विल मेक स्मॉल कर्व एंड टर्न इट लाइक दिस. फिर स्मॉल कर्व बनाएंगे और उसको टर्न करके ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे. ओके. दिस इज बिकम छोटी से इमली. ओके. फिर से यहाँ स्टार्ट करेंगे, छोटी सी स्टैंडिंग लाइन खींचेंगे, फिर एक कर्व बनाएंगे, फिर इसको टर्न करेंगे, फिर एक कर्व बनाएंगे और उसको टर्न करके ऐसे करेंगे. ओके. छोटी से इमली. ओके. सी एट द ब्लैक बोर्ड. Start like this. Make a small C and again small C and make a like this. छोटी से इमली. Again make a small C and again small C and curve like this. Okay. This is become छोटी से इमली. बेटे क्या बन गया है? छोटी से इमली. आप सबको इन दोनों लाइंस के बीच में ही लिखना है. ना तो लाइंस के ऊपर जाना है ना लाइन के नीचे जाना है. ओके. नाउ स्टार्ट विथ मी अगेन. स्टैंडिंग लाइन स्मॉल, फिर सी, कस्मी सी, लेफ्ट साइड सी, देन राइट साइड सी एंड कर्व इट लाइक दिस. ओके. क्या बन गया? छोटी से इमली. अगेन small standing line, then C, again right hand side C and curve it like this. This is become छोटी से इमली. ओके. एक छोटी सी लाइन खींचेंगे, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, फिर C बनाएंगे बच्चों, फिर एक राइट साइड वाला C बनाएंगे, फिर उसको टर्न करके ऐसे कर देंगे तो छोटी सी इमली बन जाएगी. बेटा ये बन गया छोटी से इमली. छोटी ई से इंजन, छोटी ई से इमरती, छोटी ई से इमारत. Okay, I hope you all have understood this. Okay, what you have to do now? Now you have to do your class work with the help of your parents. After completing your class work like this, you have to do same as it is in homework. Do your work in neat and clean handwriting. Students, this is your maths period. So take out your maths notebook and open the page where it is written curly wurly 3. Okay, ask your parents to do your hand. Okay, now look at the blackboard, beta. This is number 3. This is, say 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we will write curly wurly 3. Last week we have learnt how to write ducky wucky 2. Now we are going to write curly wurly 3. So hold your pencil like this and start writing with me. First of all, make a right side curve, small curve, then again one small curve. Okay, and touch the bottom line. This is your bottom line and this is your upper line. So you have to touch only bottom line. Okay. After that, leave one square. Then write. Again start writing. Make a small C, right side C, and then again make a small C. Okay. It's become curly wurly 3. Okay. And leave a gap. One block you have to leave. Then write again. Make a right curve, small right curve, and again one small right curve. Okay, like this. This is become curly wurly 3. Again write small curve, right side curve, and again one curve, right side curve. This is become curly wurly 3. Okay. See here. Start making curve, right side curve, make a right side C like this, small c, and again one small c. This is become curly wurly 3. Then leave a square. Okay. Then write it again. Make a small right side curve and again right side curve. Okay. This is become curly wurly 3. You have to touch the bottom line. Again start from here. Make a small right side C and again small right side C. Okay, this has become curly wurly 3. Okay, look at the blackboard. Make a small C, right side C, and again right side C. Okay, this has become curly wurly 3. This has become curly wurly 3. I hope you have learned how to make curly wurly 3. So first of all, complete your classwork with the help of your parents. Like this, you have to complete the page. After that, you have to complete your homework in neat and clean handwriting. Till then, bye. So students, this is your GK period. So no need to write anything anywhere. You just look at the blackboard and listen to me properly and say with me. Okay? Now look at the blackboard, all of you. See, which picture is this? This is a picture of I. This is a picture of I. E-Y-E, I. We see with the eyes. This is a picture of I. E-Y-E, I. We see with the eyes. Okay? And see, which picture is this? This is the picture of nose. This is the picture of nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. We smell with the nose. We smell with the nose. हम लोग smell करते हैं सुनने को क्या कहते हैं? Hear. Okay. And next picture, this is a picture of lips. This is a picture of lips. Okay. And this, look at the ear. And what is this? This is a neck. This is a neck. This is a picture of neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Okay. And what is this? This is a picture of a finger. This is a picture of a finger. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. We hold things with the help of finger. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. And this is a picture of hand. This is a picture of hand. We write with our hands and work with our hands. Okay? हम अपने हाथ से लिखते हैं और बहुत सारा काम भी करते हैं. And tell me this is a picture of leg. This is a picture of leg. We walk with our legs. So students, again repeat with me. This is a picture of eye. We see with our eyes. Okay? We see with our eyes. So all of you blink your eyes like this. Okay? Okay. And this is nose. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. So all of you wrinkle your nose like this. Okay? Like this. Okay? Ears. This is picture of ear. We hear with our ears. So hold your ear. Okay? This is ear now. So hold your ear. Okay? And this is a picture of lips. This is a picture of lips. Show me. It is here now. Touch finger on it. Okay? Keep finger on it. And this is the picture of neck. This is neck now. This is neck. All of you touch your neck. Okay? We rotate our head with the help of neck. हम लोग अपना सिर neck की help से हिलाते हैं. Okay? And what is this? This is a picture of a finger. This is a picture of a finger. Okay? And what is this? This is a picture of a hand. This is a picture of a hand. We write with the hand and we do lot of work with the help of hand. Okay? And what is this? This is the picture of a leg. This is the picture of a leg. We walk with our legs. We walk with our legs. So students, what you have to do now? You have to learn all the body parts with the help of your parents. Okay? First of all, touch your everything, eye, nose, and learn it. Okay? Properly. Or after learning this, you have to complete your homework, today's work, English, Hindi, Maths, in a proper way with the help of your parents. Till then, bye. Tata.